welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the August Nourished Life box. So I thought I'd show you what I got in this. So if you want to see what I did, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, so if you want to see how I did today's makeup look, this will be posted soon. So when I post it, I will link it above for you. So inside the box, you get your little postcard and it tells you what you got in the box on the back. So this month I got 5 products and it's valued at $60. So this box is $25 per month. So it is a great way of trying out different products. And as per usual, if I do try anything prior to posting this video, I will add in a clip of what I think of it. And if there's anything that I don't feature in today's video that you want to see me try, then make sure you let me know down in the comments so I can make sure I can feature it in an upcoming video. Alright, let's jump into the box. Okay, so this box I have actually had for a week and I haven't filmed for a week because I've had a whole pile of videos that I've been trying to edit and get up. So I haven't even looked at it. I'm so excited. So let's start off with the smallest product in here. So the first one I got is from LaMav Organic Skin Science. So it is a wrinkle smoothing firming eye lotion with clinically proven anti-aging actives. So it comes in this little 5ml tube here, and it basically says that it's a velvety cream that works to rejuvenate and transform your delicate eye area, and it is suitable for all skin types. This lotion makes use of bioactives such as paracress extract, organic brown seaweed, and coffee bean extracts, which have been clinically proven to brighten the eye area. Rich in essential fatty acids, it also helps to boost lipids. I never know how to pronounce any of these words. I'm sorry if I'm butchering them. All right, so product number 2. I can't actually see what it is. It's come like this, wrapped up. Let's rip it open. Okay, so it is from Eco Modern Essentials and it is an immune support essential oil blend. So this is interesting. It's perfect for everything that's going on right now. So this immune support blend by Eco Modern Essentials is a mix of essential oils designed to protect your immune system from bacteria and viruses. This blend can be used as a steam treatment, so add to hot water and inhale, a massage oil, in the bath or shower, topically, or in a diffuser, as well as for cleaning if you add it into a spray bottle. So that sounds really good. So let me open it up and smell it. Oh, it's strong. It's really strong. So you could probably get away with just like a few drops in like an 8-hour diffuser or something. It is very, very strong. So I'm looking forward to using that in my diffuser. I do have one and I just normally stick it on for the 8 hours rather than the 4 hours, just so then it's not so strong because some scents do affect me. So yeah, I just put it on for extra long. So the third product in this box is from Bondi Wash and it is a body wash. It's Tasmanian pepper and lavender. So it's meant to soothe, calm and relax with the Bondi body wash inspired by the Australian bush. This spicy and invigorating shower wash evokes the senses. It provides a rich, hydrating lather from botanical ingredients including aloe vera, sunflower seed oil, and vitamin E. So it sounds really good, but I have actually stopped using any new body products as I have been having a few skin issues, which I think is from trialing so many different things. So I've just taken a break from using any skin products that I don't know how my skin reacts to. So I'm sticking with my Dermaveen and my Dermalogica products, and that is it. I have got Frank Body for my exfoliator, but that's it. I'm not using anything else for at least another month, just because I want to see if it clears up my skin, because it might be just something that I have been trialing that is not liking my skin. So I will probably hold on to this for a little bit. If not, I will re-gift it to someone else who doesn't have such sensitive skin. So the fourth product is from the JoJoBa company. So it is JoJoBa Water Toning Mist. So the toning mist combines extracts of pure jojoba leaf, desert lime, and rose geranium with jojoba seed oil and hydrolyzed jojoba esters, and is clinically proven to reduce pores, improve skin firmness, and increase hydration. Rich in powerful antioxidants, it instantly refreshes dehydrated, thirsty skin and provides a breathable barrier that defends the skin against environmental stresses. And it's meant to be ideal for all skin types. So you basically just close your eyes and gently spritz it on just like you would a standard toner. So this actually sounds pretty good. It came in like this real cute, like it's got a cute little thing on the top. Let's open it up. Okay, so it comes just like this. So it looks really cute. So I might try that out in the next few days, just as a toner, and see how I go. But I'm excited to try that. And I love this packaging. It is so cute. And the fifth and last product is from Andalou Naturals. I don't know how to pronounce that exactly, but it is a bioactive 8-berry fruit enzyme mask. So it comes like this, and it's meant to be age defying. So it says the fruit enzyme mask is a skin renewing combination of fruit stem cells, resveratrol, CoQ10, bioactive 8-berry complex, and fruit enzymes. It is ideal for those with dry, dull, or mature skin. Resveratrol is recognized for its powerful antioxidant action, which helps to prevent free radical damage and stop new free radicals from forming. So I don't actually have dry, dull, mature skin, so I don't think this is actually going to be best for me, purely because, yeah, I don't have dry and dull skin, so I probably won't see much effects from it. Oh, it smells like berries. This is what it looks like inside. It looks really nice and it sounds really good, but I don't want to go and use it if it's not going to work for me. So what I'm going to do is I will re-gift this to my mother-in-law, who's obviously a little bit older than me, so her skin is more mature and she might be able to see some significant differences. So if she's tried it prior to me uploading this video, I will add in her comments on it. But if she hasn't and you do want to hear about it, then let me know down in the comments, because once she does use it, I can always add a comment in and let you guys know what she thought of it. So that is this month's Nourished Life box. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family. Hit the subscribe button, change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!